What is SEO? Search Engine Optimization. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, it means the process of improving your site to increase its visibility when people search for products or services related to your business in Google, Bing, and other search engines. The better visibility your pages have in search results, the more likely you are to garner attention and attract prospective and existing customers to your business. How does SEO work? Search engines such as Google and Bing use bots to crawl pages on the web, going from site to site, collecting information about those pages and putting them in an index. Think of the index like a giant library where a librarian can pull up a book or a web page to help you find exactly what you're looking for at the time. Next, algorithms analyze pages in the index, taking into account hundreds of ranking factors or signals, to determine the order pages should appear in the search results for a given query. In our library analogy, the librarian has read every single book in the library and can tell you exactly which one will have the answers to your questions. Our SEO success factors can be considered proxies for aspects of the user experience. It's how search bots estimate exactly how well a website or web page can give the searcher what they're searching for. Unlike paid search ads, you can't pay search engines to get higher organic search rankings, which means SEO experts have to put in the work. That's where we come in. Our periodic table of SEO factors organizes the factors into 6 main categories and weights each based on its overall importance to SEO. For example, content quality and keyword research are key factors of content optimization, and crawlability and speed are important site architecture factors. The newly updated SEO periodic table also includes a list of toxins that detract from SEO best practices. These are shortcuts or tricks that may have been sufficient to guarantee a high ranking back in the day when the engine's methods were much less sophisticated. And they might even work for a short time now, at least until you're caught. We've also got a brand new niches section that deep dives into the SEO success factors behind 3 key niches: local SEO, news/publishing, and e-commerce SEO. While our overall SEO periodic table will help you with the best practices, knowing the nuances of SEO for each of these niches can help you succeed in search results for your small business, recipe blog, and/or online store. The search algorithms are designed to surface relevant, authoritative pages and provide users with an efficient search experience. Optimizing your site and content with these factors in mind can help your pages rank higher in the search results. Why is SEO important for marketing? SEO is a fundamental part of digital marketing because people conduct trillions of searches every year, often with commercial intent to find information about products and services. Search is often the primary source of digital traffic for brands and complements other marketing channels. Greater visibility and ranking higher in search results than your competition can have a material impact on your bottom line. However, the search results have been evolving over the past few years to give users more direct answers and information that is more likely to keep users on the results page instead of driving them to other websites. Also note, features like rich results and knowledge panels in the search results can increase visibility and provide users more information about your company directly in the results. In sum, SEO is the foundation of a holistic marketing ecosystem. When you understand what your website users want, you can then implement that knowledge across your campaigns, paid and organic, across your website, across your social media properties, and more. Google algorithm. The Google search algorithm refers to Google's internal process to rank content. It takes a wide range of factors into account when it makes its ranking decisions. Google's algorithm has changed many times over the years, but more recently, its focus is on understanding search intent via language models. For example, Google can take the 3 examples below and provide relevant results even though change is used in different contexts each time. Unfortunately, no one outside of Google's internal circle has a crystal ball into all of its ranking factors. It's understandable why Google would guard their magic formula so tightly. Luckily, Google does provide users with best practices to follow. Additionally, experts like John Mueller, a Google search advocate, provide advice and answers on the algorithm every so often. That being said, here are a few areas you should keep in mind while optimizing your site based on the advice of Google itself. Does your content answer your users' questions or show them what they want to see? Factors like language, freshness, and synonyms make a difference here. Relevance. Once Google's algorithm has deemed that your content meets the search intent of whatever query was posed, it will scan its Google index to see where your content falls in terms of relevancy. On-page SEO is crucial here. You will likely rank higher in the SERPs if you provide searchers with the clearest and most relevant content. Quality. Yes, it might seem like content with good search intent and relevance is already high quality. But the reality is that quality is a factor in the Google algorithm. Many refer to this assessment as EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Point 3 Tips for creating better SEO content. It's always a great idea to start with some in-depth competitor research. What are your direct competitors saying in their blog? You'll want to identify opportunities to talk about those subjects in more detail and depth, and you'll also want to identify content gaps where you can stand out from the competition. Length isn't the end-all be-all. Notice that blogs targeting a particular keyword are shorter. If you think longer content will serve your readers better, use however many words necessary to get your point across. But remember, many readers spend less and less time reading online articles. Keep accessibility in mind when you write. You can use tools like the SEO Writing Assistant to help you identify the tone and readability of your content.